The 10,000 mAh Slim Power Bank by Extreme is a pretty advanced piece of equipment, so we wanted to give you a little bit of a breakdown on how to charge the power bank as well as take full advantage of the rapid charge function. On the top, you'll notice that there is two different inputs, one for USB-C and one for micro USB. Now you can charge up the power bank using either one of those slots. However, it will rapid charge the power bank if you use a USB-C charging cord. Now there is one thing that we want to mention about this power bank. It is a high performance power bank and they did not include a powerful enough cord. They included a USB to USB-C cord which does not charge this up. Now why they did that is because a USB to USB-C should charge this up rapidly. So if you do have a different cord, you can use that to charge this up. But remember, with power banks like these, you really have to use high quality cords. Now they really put an effort to future-proofing this power bank so that it's good for smartphones in the future. So there's a few details that I want to cover here. The USB-C is actually an input and an output, so you can use it to charge up your phone as well. If you have a USB-C to USB-C or a USB-C to Lightning pin, you can actually rapid charge your Apple devices as well as your Android devices from that output. However, it does include a regular USB output as well, which you can use all of your other cords, whether it's a micro USB, a Lightning pin. However, if you do have a USB to USB-C, that will also rapid charge your Android devices. Now, if you're not someone who uses USB-C, let me clarify. The regular USB output will charge virtually anything. You just have to have the right cord. So this isn't only good for smartphones, you can use it to charge tablets, Apple Watches, any Bluetooth device you might have, whether it be a speaker or a pair of headphones, GPSs, anything at all.